My name's Sakurai. I drive a '66 Mustang out here in San Diego. I have a large group of guys that we all go out, SCCA, go to the NMCA, good guys, and we have a lot of fun. So my Mustang, it's a '66 Mustang. It started off as a straight 6 automatic. I converted it to V8, put a T5 in it. I put all sorts of stuff. With the straight 6 suspension, everything was all horrible. So I ended up going with the CPP Power Steering, put that in, and then I've just done everything to the car. So I purchased the power steering back in 2015, at the beginning of 2015, because I took my car out. I had 19-to-1 steering ratio. It was around 5 turns lock to lock. It was miserable. And so racing my Mustang with a 19-to-1 did not work. I ended up putting the CPP box in. It brought it down to just under 3 turns lock to lock. So much quicker. I can actually turn the car now without worrying. So it's awesome, and I recommend it to anyone. I do recommend it to people often.